I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this brown cranberry eye with this beautiful new lip. So I'm starting with my foundation and my concealer, and I'm going with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lids. And I'm going to be using the Morphe M173 brush, and I'm just going to apply that evenly all over my lids. I will be using the Tati Volume 1 palette, going with brown neutral, using the Morphe 167 brush, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lids. I will be going with Smooth Tan with the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just going to apply that in my crease, just blending out the crease a little bit so it won't be too harsh. So when I go with the next color, it will be easy to blend in my crease. Next, I'm going to be using my Morphe M506 brush, tapping into this Cranberry Poet, and I'm just going to apply that in my crease. I'll be going with my Morphe E28 brush, and I'm just going to blend out the crease. I'm going back to Ritual Brown, and I'm just going to apply that on my lids because I lost a little bit of that color while I was adding shadow to the crease. Next, I will be going with my Morphe M431, and I'm going to Poet and Memory Matte, and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. Going back to the Morphe M441, I'm just going to blend out my crease, making everything a bit blown out. So I'm going to be doing the next eye. So I did the eye already. Does it look beautiful? I will be going to my Anastasia Beverly Hills Mahogany Bronzer using the Morphe E4, and I'm just going to apply that on my cheekbones. And I love this bronzer because it is just so beautiful. Can you guys see? It gives you that nice sun-kissed tan look. I love this. I will be using my Scott Barnes Chic Cheek No. 1 blush palette with the Morphe E48 brush, and I'm just going to be mixing Crush and Blush, Rose, and Mango Fizz, so I can have this beautiful pinky, peachy, rosy look. And what this is going to do, this is going to add a nice healthy flush to the skin. Going with the Morphe E41 brush, I'm just making sure that everything is blended so it won't be too harsh. Going with the E62 brush, I'm just going back with my bronzer, and I will be contouring my nose. the Scott Barnes Glowy and Showy highlighting palette, I will be going with Twilight Sand, Candlelight, and Peekaboo with my Morphe M501 brush. And I'm just going to tap the excess on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks, on my temples, and on my nose. Going with KKW Beauty Dramatico eyeshadow pencil. I'm just going to put that on the lower lash line, and this is a cream to powder finish. This shadow pencil is what's going to make the eyes a bit more smoky, a bit more dramatic. And going with the Marc Jacobs Black Cure Highlighter Gel Eye Crayon, I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line. Going with my Lily Lash Eye Curler, I'm just going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to go with my KKW Mascara in black. For lip liner, I'll be using the KKW Beauty in Nude 3. And it's this nice chocolatey brown. So delicious. And it's so smooth as well. And for lip gloss, I'll be using the KKW Beauty and Makeup by Mario Proud of You gloss. And to finish this look, I'll be using the Morphe Continuity Setting Mist. And this is the finished look. Hopefully you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching.